Right, welcome back. Just a quick video to let you know the shop is open. The Throttle Charge shop is open. I've done a bit of a soft opening, so I haven't got a lot on there at the minute. I've got the FarDriver kits, the FarDrivers, my special cable I had made, what's in that video. It's now nearly had 5,000 views on. It's the cable because otherwise you have to solder things, do everything yourself. This cable literally fits into a T08 throttle, so it's most throttles what come with it, and a DKD screen. What's the same sort of adapter. I also have on there some throttles, some screens, etc. And I do the whole cable kit as a kit. So the cable, it comes with the screen, the throttle, everything else for a good price. Everything on there is what I've tested and is from my supplier. That cable you can't get anywhere else. This one I had designed. So it's all on there. And as a goodwill for opening, 15% off everything. The FarDrivers, everything. They're already a really good price. 15% off of everything for the first 15 customers. I've already had a few customers already. I think about 5 or 6 in the first week or so. So it's building just from people who watch my videos. So that code's there, the code will be in the description. I might even have it come up on screen if I can bother with the editing. The website, I want to upgrade a bit more. I'm going to add more things, but it's just making sure everything's perfect at the minute. And like I said, nothing's on there what I've not tested and is not from my supplier. So yeah, so that's open. So I'm so happy with that. It's took me a year. I've had it for about a year and I've only just got it together and putting it up. I'll quickly show you sort of things that are on there. So obviously this is the FarDriver. This is the 72450. As you see, this one's brand new. You only get the stuff I get. So obviously you get all your you get your cable with it and everything else. So that's that. To show you the DKD screens on there with the same adapter for my cable. With my cable, so I'll show you. Here we go. So it's nice and long, so you don't have to muck about. It has on here, it has all our speed switches, our throttles, everything else, and you have your part side and you have your controller side. So that's the cable. And with every cable, you will also get key switch. What I've asked to be put on there. So you get your 2 keys with it, your key switch, all connected. So with your screen, what side is it? Spare part. You've got your screen. You've got, so you literally just go. It's just literally click and click, bang, straight in. No soldering required. Nothing else. Obviously, if you have a different adapter, if you have a different screen and you want to throw on a different plug, it doesn't matter. It's all done. So yeah. So you've got the DKD screens, throttles. I've actually got more cables, so obviously I had them made. I like them because they're perfect for all my different projects. I just throw them on. So yeah, we're open. You'll be supporting me, you'll be supporting the channel. All the money I get, I throw back into the channel, as you can see from all the big projects I buy. I don't skimp and save. I give free giveaways. So you're not just, this ain't just a business for me. This is to make the channel bigger and better, and all reasonable price. At the moment, USA free on duty and taxes, so you won't have to worry about that. UK, Europe and other places, like the UK is £135 is the limit. After that you have to pay 20% VAT, but that will be sent, that will be done at the door when the courier brings it to you. Same with Australia, I think it's $200 and something, I think. Same with the EU, but I've got it all written on there. So factor that in your price. But if it's anything below that, normally as well, even if you buy it on the website and it says 135, it comes out a bit lower, so you don't normally pay any taxes and everything else, just so you know. But yeah, so if you want my special cable for the FarDriver, it's all on the website. Same with the FarDriver controllers, because these controllers, if you go on AliExpress and stuff like that, you don't know what you're buying. There's a lot of clones and fakes of these. With my ones, they're all legit. You've seen them working on all my bikes. They work perfectly. You get your Bluetooth dongle with that as well, and that's an added extra I throw in. I don't charge for that, I throw that in. So yeah, thank you for watching. The code's in the description, so go and buy. What's stopping you? Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video.